This one sounds like a bottle cap. I'm in the community garden here. Yeah, it's junk. Some big junk. I'm not going to go for it. I've never been in this community garden before. I don't know if there's anything worth digging up over here. I don't know. I don't know what the ground looks like over here, so what the heck is going on here? Is that it? I'm not discriminated very. That's some plastic. There's something up here. It's a penny right there. See, all these wood chips are really thick here, so there's no grass back here, so I'm not really. I'm in the sun too. Something really big. With something right near the surface. Something big underneath here. Quarter right there. Quarter right there with some iron underneath it. Something big. I think so. Another coin. Another coin is down there. I think. I don't know. Right there. Another nickel. Right there. See if another one's in there. I don't know about this one. It's deeper. Probably some junk. Oh boy. I don't know about this. There's roots down there really freaking bad. Oh my gosh. These roots are horrible. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. This is a nightmare. Those roots are bad. Okay. I'm not going to spend too much more time here on this target. I'll try to get out here. It's probably a pop can right there. Look at that. Dodge. It's a Dodge hubcap right there. It's a Dodge hubcap, man. Look at that. Freaking hell yeah. I'll keep on digging here. Right. I'll keep on digging here. Some foil. Gum wrapper. What the heck, man? That is really weird. There's plastic all in the soil. See, look at this stuff. There's shredded plastic all in the soil here. Look at that. It's shredded plastic. I don't know. This modern trash, man. Some foil right there. No. Something deeper. That's good. That's good. It's a pull tab. There. Uh-oh, I'm starting to sweat. I gotta be aware. Oh, grab this plastic here. Grab this plastic. Throw that away. Something else here. Right next to the picnic bench. So you can check it out. Right, you can check it out. Bottle cap. Kind of sounded like a bottle cap when I first swung over it before I dug out that pull tab. That's why I dug the pull tab out first. Screamer. Might be a pull tab or might be a bottle cap. It's probably a twist top then if it's this deep. Oh boy, these sticks and stuff in here. It's a coin right there. So when you have all these sticks, you know, all this detritus here, these chopped up sticks, it's not like a tot lot, right? You got 3 different kinds of substrate. This crap right here, just chopped up sticks, and sometimes there's chips in it. And then you have wood chips, which are really clean for tot lots that are really easy to dig in. And then you have shredded mulch. The mulch is the freaking hardest to dig out of any type of soil I know. Mulch is even harder to dig than the rocks in my creeks, right? Junk. Coin, right? Might be a bottle cap. It's a bottle cap right there. Iron. I'm gonna go get a drink because I'm starting to sweat. I need to get some water in me before I stop sweating. But there is, that's a cool little garden. Yeah, it's a cool little garden. That was fun. It smelled good and it was refreshing to be in. Ooh, that's not refreshing. It's some dog poo. Poo. Some poo. Refreshing to be in a garden. They just watered it, so it was pretty humid over there. But I'm gonna go get a drink here. Get a drink. Because I'm starting to sweat a little bit, so I gotta give my body what it needs before I get dehydrated. Right. It's supposed to be 100 and something degrees today, so it's better work. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Oh yeah. So there's a bottle cap right here, plastic. Some plastic bottle cap there. Just throw that in the garbage where it belongs. There's two more garbage cans right over here. See, watch. I'll walk over these garbage cans and just pick up some garbage on my, oh, look at that. Look at that. Picking up stuff along the way, and I just found a sterling silver ring right on the surface. Look at that. Look at all this trash, right? Look at all this trash. Look at all this trash right here. See all this trash? Look at all this trash in the area. A sterling silver ring right there on the surface. Freaking badass, man. I can see it as sterling right there. It's definitely silver. Yeah, man. A freaking paintbrush. I found a freaking sterling silver ring right on the surface, man. Didn't even use my detector. Picking up garbage in the freaking park, I found a freaking silver ring. Right, look how much trash is over here, right? Just freaking stupid, man. Look at all this trash, man. See all this trash? Why don't you pick it up? Right. Pick all this trash up. Right. Not all of it up, because there's just so much here, but you know. Just pick up the trash, right? Just pick up the trash. And the silver rings too. Here's another garbage can right over here, see it? Make sure I don't throw the silver ring away. Freaking epic, man. I found a silver ring right on the surface, right? See, look at this stuff. Watch this, see what? Silver ring right there, baby. We'll see what number it reads up at. right here. No. 97, 98. 99, 97. I'm freaking talking about right there. Silver ring in the park on the surface today, man. Frickin' bring it, man. Yeah. You never know what you're gonna find, man. It really stinks right here, right next to these garbage cans. But what I'll do is I'll just start cleaning up. I'll start cleaning up here, right? Start cleaning up some of this trash here. See if I can find another ring, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to leave my detector too far away from me because a guy over there is totally watching me. He just saw me find that ring. He's a homeless guy. See? Clean it up. Clean up all this trash. All right. These garbage cans reek, man. I mean, they stink bad. All right, there's a foil seal right there. Don't need my detector. Foil seal right there. That reads up a 34, just to let you know. Right. Bring it on. Bring it on. Yeah. I'll empty my bag out here. Oh, this garbage can stinks. Something to high heaven. It really, really stinkies. There's a nickel. Some more coins. I'm just finding a lot of coins today. Right there. Yeah. And a Dodge hubcap. Yeah. See, it's aluminum. It's aluminum. It might be stainless. I think it's aluminum. Found that in the community garden. Yeah, come on. Bring it. It's too dry right here to dig. Oh boy, very, very dry. I might rethink this target right here because it's just too dry. Right there's a pull tab. You see it, man? Right there. Bam. I'll go for the surface targets here because I won't be able to go deep here. I won't be able to get that target either. It's too hard here. This ground is like dries up bone. Right, like concrete here. I'll go up here in between the trees. Even though the roots are bad up here, I might be able to find something on the surface. Oh boy, dry. It's actually wet up here, but it's just compacted ground. Why is it not hitting that? It's some foil. Oh, is it a Snickers bar? Oh, dude, this is a Twix bar, man. It's a Twix bar right there. Oh my lord. It's a Twix bar, man. Yeah, dude. Oh, bring it on. It still has the air in it, too. It still has the air in it, man. Yeah, I'll go for it. Yeah. Oh, it looks really old, man. It's been melted. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now that was a mistake. It tasted minty for some reason. That was disgusting. Don't do as I do. Don't do as I do, man. Right. Was I digging out a target here? I think I was. I think I had a target here. Oh my lord. Yeah, bring it on, man. Well, It's better than me to eat it than a dog. Right there. There's a target. There's some foil right there. Am I gonna do that again? There's another candy bar in there? No. I'm getting way sidetracked here, man. Totally losing my concentration. What I'm doing here. Disgusting. Oh boy, the roots are really bad. But I like this target. It was sounding scrumptious. Scrumptious. Oh yeah, poor cabbage. Poor cabbage. Yeah. Bring it on, man. Hell yeah. Oh, it feels good underneath these trees. Screamer right on the surface. This is a good target. It's not a bottle cap. Could be a coin. Ooh, something sharp right there. Ouch. Ooh, some paint. Ooh, man, that would freaking hurt, man. If you were walking without shoes in the park here, barefoot, ouch. That would freaking cut you up, man. That would cut you up. Yeah. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a sprinkler head. It's a sprinkler head right there, a little one. Oh, it feels so good right here, man. Oh yeah, it feels good. I might not be able to get this one out because the ground's really rooty here. I'll get it out. Come on, baby. Oh boy. The roots right there. Oh, these roots are horrible here. Oh man. I'm in for a spell here on this target. Right there. It's out. It's a pull tab. It's a really old one. It's a really old one. Look at that. It's a good sign. Not quite a ring pull, but it's an older pull tab. Yeah. Frickin' silver, baby. And a nasty frickin' candy bar. Thank you for watching.